Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this hair. I'll show you guys how I install it. It literally took me 5 minutes. I've been really obsessed with synthetic wigs recently. Can you be quiet please? Why are you making noise? I've been really obsessed with synthetic wigs and I came across this one and I thought I'll just share it with you guys because it's so banging. Like, I really love it. Like, the quality, look at it, it just looks like human hair. Like, it looks like human hair, and I've been obsessed with it because it's super long. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. So today's hair is from a company called I don't know if I can say this, it's Kukunus collection, and they have a website called settersinternational.com. I actually got this from the hair shop, but I will still link it down below. Like, if I'll link some links down below just in case you don't have it in your local hair supply store. So this is what the hair looks like. This is the box. I'll try and like get it to focus, but this is it. So the specs on like the specs on the hair, it's a lace front, but it only has like the part like lace right in a few areas, so you can do like a centre part, side part, or all back. I obviously opted for a centre part because I just thought with a really long hair it just looks stunning. I actually got this in a colour 2, and this is the style Venetian lace nootan. I don't know what is with all these like really fancy names, I can't even say it. I actually straightened this hair on really high heat and it was perfectly fine, and I did actually go in and pluck the hairline. I didn't pluck it, I literally ripped it out, which actually caused a tiny little hole, but you can't actually see. But I feel like the lace melted really, really well. Like, if I just come up close, you guys can see it. Can you focus on my hair? Thank you. So this is what the lace looks like, and I think it's pretty decent for a synthetic wig. I don't really think there's really much to say other than the fact that I really, really like this hair. I'm going to show you guys how I installed it. Actually no, let me show you how much hair I pulled out of it. So this is how much hair I pulled out from the hairline, because it was quite dense. And I have been wearing this all week without, like, I wore it without customizing it, but I was like, okay, so it looked a bit too dense at the front, so I was like, okay, I'm going to tweeze it a little bit, and it looks so much better. I'm really happy with it. It does have lace obviously going all the way around. Like, there's a bit here for you to do like sideburns if you want, which to be fair I could try and do, but I really wasn't feeling it today, I'm not going to lie to you. I want something really quick. So yeah, stay tuned for the tutorial on how I applied this wig. I'll leave all the specs down below, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little install tutorial.